Hey guys, what's going on? And as you can see, we're here at the 7-Eleven. If you guys do know or don't know, this is like basically like a whole car meet thing that was organized by someone on TikTok, and it just fucking blew up. So yeah, fucking it's a car meet at a 7-Eleven. Thankfully everyone's being respectful and not actually parking at the 7-Eleven besides these two guys. But yeah, thought I'd show you guys around because fuck, this is pretty cool, you know. 7-Eleven meet, when is that gonna happen? Probably never ever again. So yeah, it's got two Civics. This is actually my buddy Farzan. Has a B20 VTEC on it, and it's pretty sweet. He's also working on a K24 swap on his other Civic, so yeah, super cool dude. Farzan, if you're watching this, shout out to you. I know you watch my videos. Love you, man. So yeah, we'll see what's around, and yeah. Fuck, how do you use this shit? It's been years. There you go.
Is that what it's really like?
This is definitely modernized.
No, I said that I've like, seen it as like on The Simpsons somewhere. Like,
yeah, this is like, this doesn't feel like this unless you feel it. It feels hollow.
Yeah, it's like foam.
I'm gonna get like fucking like gas in my stomach. Watch. As you guys can see, it's popping right now. Got all kinds of cars, M4, Scat Pack type of artists, even an RAV10. What's up? This man drives a manual and he doesn't know how to park in reverse. What a fucking shame. Look at this motherfucker. He has to get the pro fucking ricer right here.
It's progress. We're learning. I don't know, quarter his age.
This man backed up just by shifting with his dick.
Oh. Fucking R8 pull up to the meet. What's up with that? At G70. These jets are fucking sick. This guy's still in the Christian spirit. It's November though. There it is. Super clean EK. God damn. It's a fat turbo. At your local 7-Eleven, guys. Got my cut. Damn. So the meat's definitely popping now. I'll be pulled up into this S2K, and yeah, definitely surprising. A lot more cars than I thought there'd be, but that's not a bad thing.
2023.
Damn.
Horsepower.
Don't touch the car, bro. You're getting recorded. It's a sick rap. No, hell no. No, yeah, you got somebody guilty by association. You can do whatever you want. I know he was, that's why I walked away. Hell no. Ah, come on, bro. He's fucking cop right there. Stupido. It's a turbo right there. Damn. Something sick. Oh shit.
I want that skip pack right there.
Damn. What is it? A great turbo? Yep. Nope. I don't know Subarus. Shit, for real. So you know that had to be a Karen out here to call the police, because literally everyone was chilling, literally not obstructing anything, but some fucking bitch calling from Burger King fucking has something to bitch at. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video, and I think the first video of this playlist or these build series I'm doing. We are here at the QT. Gotta get every single drop. You know, these gas prices are crazy, but we are here filling up, getting ready for a long road trip, or not really long, but 3-hour road trip to up northern Arizona to Sholo. We are looking at a car which I won't disclose yet. You guys don't have to watch and see what car I'm trying to buy, but it looks pretty solid. Needs cosmetic work, but mechanically it's pretty sound, and the price he's asking is a good price. So regardless if I negotiate and he doesn't budge on the price, it's still a good buy. And yeah, keep posted, guys, and enjoy the video. It's gonna be a good one. All right, so we are on the way to Sholo, and the route that it took us to looks like a really fun route, actually, like some good twisties. So maybe it's a potential future road we might just have some fun in. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice out here. I fucking didn't have my camera right now, and there's a really good spot. People won't be able to capture on the way back because it's gonna be dark, but it was fucking really nice. Like, look at this. Here, Hugger, before we kill ourselves. Before I kill us.
not sure how good that.
So we're in Miami. And I'm not being sarcastic. This town's called Miami, and it's been here since 1907. And there's some old ass fucking houses here. These buildings. I mean, by no means am I like fucking saying this is bad. It's actually really cool to see. Like, I like shit with history, and it's cool to see this. What it used to be, you know what I mean? Badass spot to pull out and like do a pull right here. You know what I mean? Like, jewelry. Well, I wasn't expecting anything like this, to be honest. I was expecting something like 89A.
Yeah. See the road?
Dude, that's fucking sick. Yo. I am pleasantly surprised.
Hey, I'm not just dangerous as fuck.
Yeah. Alright, so unfortunately the car, the 350Z, I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not, was a piece of junk. Before you guys bash on me and say anything negative, we're like, well, I need to check out the car before you went there. So I actually was really thorough with all my questions that I asked, which you responded, which were lies. And the car was just a piece of junk. There's no way I was going to drive that car back. Like, it was so bad. So yeah, I didn't pick up the 350. If you guys see my last video, I picked up this Miata here. So literally got this the next day, $3,500, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna give me some good money. And I'm gonna make some first impressions of the car, how it drives. Gonna go to the canyon right now, put the head strap on, the POV footage, and do some commentating over that too. So look forward to that, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.